Hey everyone, and today we're playing Follow the Line. It's a really nice game. I really just played a little bit in my channel about it, and it was a long day. I did not play about it, and I'm really excited. Follow the Line is free, of course, but it's really fun. I don't know why, because I love video games. It was like so hard for me to play before. Now it's like really easy and good. I don't care. Super easy to yeah. Because now you're hearing like that's seriously from PC so it's not my problem, guys. And tell me down below if you want me to play Roblox. If you want me to play Roblox or Uno. I never played Uno before, but I played Roblox without thinking like trying to learn practice for some videos. Some YouTubers practice. Some are with the Roblox, some are not. Like this, how the YouTubers. Oh my God! How does it go over there? I want to know. I never like heard anything. Oh my God, my finger is like so. And I have so much games to search. I'm gonna have reacting videos. So that's really fun. And so from now, I'm gonna get started for the reacting video from today. So after this video, I'm thinking to make an oh my god, and like reacting video on YouTube for Five Nights at Freddy's. And tell me even down below if you want me to play Five Nights at Freddy's 2 or not 1, because I don't have enough money. And if you want to follow me on, sorry, not follow me, see this video that I'm gonna upload soon after 2 days by traveling to London. It's really nice. I'm gonna show you the place, the food place. I'm gonna show you everything, the airplane. That's gonna be so fun. So tell me down below if you're excited for that or not. But where is these these blue ones over here? They hear me want to go to place. Okay, I'm gonna play 2 more times. For now, 3 more times. Because anything is not fair about when you die, it's not fair. Sometimes they kill you and make you over places and then they attack. See, I knew it there in 2009. So to be well and controlled. Maybe it's the voices that you're hearing right now from the cover that I put in. There's so much PC, but one of them is red PC. This is in this one. like have a line in the timer. Oh my god. I don't understand anything though. Like originally sometimes they give you our records. Like I don't understand. Really I don't. And my voice is going down. So guys, I'm gonna end this episode over here. And bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.